Captain Viriato and his entire team. I don't want to talk about the other group, because if the other group was there, they should have come here. They should have not gone somewhere else. They should have come here, because the fight is a common fight. There cannot be two fights. The agenda should be one. Why I am saying agenda is one is because of only one thing. Taxi issues all तेन्ना आमगे थोडे म्हणपाक लागले तो कितें आमकां लागता आनी केसो इश्यू जालो तो आम कित्याक लागता आमगे गोंयकारांक एक हें जाला फॅशन आतां कोडसो थोडे म्हणटा आम कित्याक लागता थोडे म्हणटा मुगे घर बोगले ना मुगे घर पयस आहा रेल्वे कडच्यान कोण घर पयस आहा तेंक सांगता कोर्स हो बोगले घरा लागना एक्चुअली पयस घरा लागता कित्याक वाऱ्याचे उबोन वयता आनी पयस घरा चड लागता तुगे बोगले घराक हें मातशें कोन्न नाकाय आम कित्याक पडला म्हणना काय एवरी इश्यू इज इम्पॉर्टंट गोंयांत डिस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्टेड समवेयर अराउंड 2000 when at least आमी रेज केला असेंब्लींत in 2012 when Parrikar was there and 3 प्रोजेक्ट हें स्टार्ट केले एक नॅशनलायझेशन ऑफ रिवर्स I think they have spoken second to get highways and third to get double tracking of railways. Why they were done with one intention for coal. आमी जेन्ना कोल हब म्हणटाले तेन्ना मनोहर पर्रीकर बॉब मारतालो असेंब्लीन तुम कोल हब कित्याक म्हणटाय काय म्हण आज क्लियर जाता दॅट टायम देर वॉज नोबडी कोण उलयना आसले कांय कोणा पडना गेलना एटलीस्ट गुड दॅट नाव पीपल आर अंडरस्टँडींग वॉट इट इज आय एम हॅपी आय वॉन्ट मोर पीपल टू जॉइन इन Second part, I don't want to go into more details because everybody has taken. I don't want to speak for a long time. Ikucho sa, at for the questions. Captain, if you want any questions to be asked in the assembly, I am freely available for you.
Thank you.
As and why you draft the question you want, the way you want, I will put it. There's no question. Don't even think I'm going to change the question. That's it. Finish. Because the issue is important. Coal munta amka naka. Correct. कोल म्हणटा आमकां म्हारग पडटलो कोणा म्हारग पडटलो हाल मुगे भुरगे जेन्ना व्हडली जातलीं तेन्ना म्हाका नाका दुसऱ्या भुरग्यांनी मुगे भुरग्यां म्हणल्यार तुगे पांय कितें करता काय आय एम ऑन रिकॉर्ड इन द असेंब्ली टू टॉक अरे उलयलें कांय जायना तेंकां हांव इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह ऑफ कुडतोरी फ्रॉम कुडतोरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी हांव बीन इलेक्टेड आय विल सी दॅट माय वॉट एवर ऑपोजिशन इज रिकॉर्ड इन द असेंब्ली नो मॅटर हू डज वॉट आणि ऑपोजिशन म्हणते गरजेचें कोणू आसूं कितली मेजॉरिटी आसूं देर कॅन बी अ ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी बट ऑपोजिशन इज इम्पॉर्टंट somebody should point out it may not be the quantity but it is the quality which is important when you raise questions and issues in the assembly. So I will do my job. I am available captain तुक जाय ते भशेन तूं क्वेश्चन जाय तेश कोन बरोवन दी जाय ते इन्फॉर्मेशन घाल नेक्स्ट असेंब्ली येतली नेक्स्ट असेंब्ली येना जाल्यार मोद देखून तुका जाय जाल्यार आय एम अवेलेबल यू कॅन रेस्ट एश्योर्ड दॅट आय विल साइन वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट I have been raising issues of Vasco for those who are in Vasco, even your jetty, even your fishing jetty, even in Bogda land which is acquired. Bogda land was acquired. I'm just giving you one more. Bogda land was acquired when Manohar Parrikar was there. On one stroke of a sign Manohar Parrikar gave. One stroke. And he didn't allow that question to come of mine for last 4-5 sessions of assemblies. Finally, this fellow Pramod Sawant took it up. And he assured me that he would verify those lands, would measure those lands, measure those people. Tin Pitori, Bogda land, Tamge, Kitle Goingar Ahle. I don't know exactly, I can't remember the area. It must be more than 15 lakh square meters, which was given to central government directly on one stroke of a pen by Manohar Parrikar. He refused it, but he was under pressure from the central government and he gave. First he had refused it. Finally he gave. And Adaniche on ek point, Adaniche only one more thing. Birth number 6 or 7, correct me if I am wrong.
5 and 6.
Manohar Parrikar assured me in the assembly that he would not give it to anybody.
Correct.
He would not privatize it. I will raise that issue back again in the assembly.
Good.
He had assured me these fellows have given it now. Manohar Parrikar didn't give it when he was there, they gave it now. Birth number
3, 5, 6 and 7.
5, 6 and but only 2 was given. And one more last point I want to make about Alina. Whatever it is, I would say I give credit for Alina, at least she's raising her voice.
Yes.
She is understanding what is the local feeling or the sentiment of the people, and she is talking. As an MLA of the BJP, they have got other, different things. But as an MLA, she has to get her work done, so it's not that easy for her just to go across. So anyway, one more thing, we are there across party line, party sold however, we are there. We will fight for issues of, till such time I am in the MLA, I will fight for the issues of Goa and court. And my assurance moto Sadaha Tumka, all support is there. There is not even doubt. The last time when I came for the meeting, somebody said isms. I don't know who was there. Somebody said ism that I am doing illegal sand or something like that. Sand mining. I challenge that fellow if he got anything with him to prove.
Said it to me.
He said it to him. I will only not take the name. I challenge him to prove it. And if he can, come on. Vishne ulo in time pass korpa hai na. Divide korpa hai na. Yalte party meeting e model hai. Divide korpa hai le me thode san. Maashi divide jana. We'll fight it out. आमगे एक सरपंच सदा म्हणटालो ही फामाद उतरां तो कोण आहाय तो चोय नाका मुखार वसत राव म्हणचे हाडले आहाय ते मागीर येतले म्हण यू गो अहेड वी आर विथ यू थँक्यू